demonstrating the removal of dual inline using the IR method. We have a board here and it's sitting on a back heater. We have preheated the board slightly. We now use the IR hand tool and apply heat to the component. As we apply heat to the component, the temperature of the part will rise. We now need to increase the temperature until it reaches 188 to 190 degrees, at which point the solder will melt. We're moving the IR source up and down the component because we need to heat the whole component so that all the solder joints are molten. We can test it by gently trying to lift the component. It's not moving yet. As it starts to reflow, you can see the chip's actually moving. Apply a bit more heat. Once it's fully molten, we can actually pick up the component out of the board. And here we have the pads of the component. If we wish to remove another component, we just shift it down and we'll now remove the 20 pin. You just have to make sure that all the leads are straight on the reverse side. If they're crimped, you have to straighten them. Again, we take the IR source, apply heat on the component. We can test it by putting the tweezer there. It's not moving yet. You can see it's not moving. We apply the heat up and down the component. As we apply the heat, the solder will start to rise. We need to hit a temperature of about 190 degrees and the solder will melt. Again, we'll test the component by just trying to lift it. You can see the component lifting on that side too. So we can now pick up the component. And we have the component removed and the pads are intact. And on the reverse side, it's in good condition. And that is the Thru-Hole removal using the IR technique.